Hello guys, what's up? So today I'll be showing you how I set up my Plex media server for LAN networks. So that means I can host my Plex media server in a machine in my LAN network, and that can be accessed like anywhere throughout my LAN network. That is basically what Plex media server does. So I've used Docker for this, and I feel like everyone should use Docker for this exact same thing because it helps in managing resources. When you install natively, I found that uh, it like occupies a lot more resource than using it inside Docker. Uh, so I've opted for going like for Docker only, and okay, so the Plex container is running and I can access everything like in my local host 3200, and other devices can use it using my local IP and colon 3200 port number. Uh, and this works, right? And the things that I have done to get this working were Docker, uh, Plex, Plex Docker. Okay. There is a GitHub repository. I cannot seem to find it now, but this isn't the repository that I've used. Let's Docker. Let's go to the site only, and we will go for Docker and go for learn more. Okay. Oh yeah. This is the one. So Plex inc pms dash docker is the one that I've used. If you scroll down, you'll find host networking. What this host networking gives you is it will give you a okay, shit. Sorry about that. So it will give you a config like a way to start the Docker container, the Plex container. Uh, I have used and I did all this. Mm, Well, the network is host, name is Plex. It will run in DTAS mode, and I also mentioned the user ID and group ID of Plex, so that like the permissions issues won't happen. Previously, I forgot to do these, and I could not see my uh, if you go to libraries and if I went to add some movies and browse for folder, I wasn't able to find anything in my local like in my host machine, and I forgot that you cannot actually access anything inside your Docker container unless you mount it. So this is exactly what I'm doing over here in my data videos. If you go here in my data videos, you can see that like it shows the content of my downloads folder as I've mounted this downloads over there. It shows two movies because I don't know why this does not show up in there. Maybe it's because I selected for movies only. If I did for series as well, it would show Tulsa King as well. But yeah, I added it, and then everything works fine. You could see 1917 works flawlessly. It's a 4K file, so it took a little bit time to run. But yeah, this is what I'm trying to say. It works, and this is easily reproducible. For this Plex claim, what you need to do is Plex claim. Okay, let me see if I remember. Plex.db slash uh, claim. Just sign in to the Plex, and it will give you a code, and just put it in there. Claimed as yeah, this one. Uh, it should let, like, what this does is, you have an ID signed in, that and this media server that you'll host in this container will allow any device that is accessed using this same account that you've used in Plex right now. That will work. That will allow the connection, and it will be able to access this server. Just use this one, and you should be Gucci. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. I don't even know what next one is, but yeah. Okay.